Good morning, children. Today we will move to the last part of this chapter number 4, and today we will cover the topics of Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, and Swarajya Party. Now, why was this Khilafat movement started in India? What were the reasons behind this movement? Now, during the First World War, Turkey had joined Germany and England had won. And because of that, because of the unjust terms and conditions laid down on Turkey, at that time, Sultan of Turkey, he was the Khalifa of all the Muslims. He was the head of all the Muslims. Okay. So he was being, he had been laid down with all the rules and regulations. Even Turkey को बहुत सारे rules वगैरह regulations sign करने पड़े थे. Because Turkey and Germany, they had both lost in the First World War. Now, to oppose the strict terms imposed on Turkey and Sultan came to be known as Khilafat movement in India also. Now, people, all the Muslims around the world, okay, their Khalifa was being arrested, their Khalifa was being put under jail. So, उसको छुड़ाने के लिए all over world the Muslims had started this Khilafat movement. एंड इंडियन मुस्लिम्स थे, उन्होंने भी इस मूवमेंट में साथ दिया कि टर्की के ऊपर इतने सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस एंड इम्पोजिशंस लगाए गए हैं, वो हटा देने चाहिए. सो दैट फुल मूवमेंट वाज नोन एज व्हाट? खिलाफत मूवमेंट. एंड इन दिस लीडर्स लाइक मौलाना शौकत अली एंड मौलाना मोहम्मद अली हैड बीन द मेन पर्सन्स इन इंडिया, दोज हु हैड स्टार्टेड दिस खिलाफत मूवमेंट. Now Gandhi ji and Congress also supported for the unity of Hindus and Muslims. गांधी जी ने इस खिलाफत मूवमेंट में मुस्लिम्स का साथ दिया था. Why? Because Gandhi ji had in his mind that today if I give my helping hand to the Muslims, so this will make the Hindu and Muslims unity more stronger. So he supported the Muslims in this khilafat movement. See, this is the picture of Maulana Muhammad Ali, one of the leaders of this khilafat movement. Now, the movement, when Gandhiji supported this, the movement had become more severe, and even the Congress also had participated in the Khilafat movement. Now, even the Congress people, they had started the non-cooperation movement. The Nagpur conference gave an approval to the non-cooperation movement in 1920. The Congress made a very strong demand for the independence of India, that is the Swaraj. Okay, instead of the self government, that is स्वशासन. स्वशासन के बदले अब उनको क्या चाहिए था? स्वराज चाहिए था. Now, who supported in this non-cooperation movement? Mahatma Gandhi and the full entire Indian National Congress headed this movement of non-cooperation. The National Congress of India full supported it. Against whom? Under Mahatma Gandhi's leadership, the movement aimed at resisting British rule through non-violence. Okay, this movement was started by Gandhiji with all the Indian National Congress leaders. They wanted to raise a voice against Britishers, but everything through non-violence, ahimsa ke through. Now, this non-cooperation movement had begun in the year 1921, January 1921, and ended in February 1922. Okay, with the incident of Chauri Chaura. Now, nearly we can say this full non-cooperation movement had gone for nearly 1 year. It aimed to resist the British occupation of India through non-violent means. Now, this movement had two aspects. One is the constructive aspect and another one is the negative aspect. अब इस इन movement के through what they had been doing. First of all, the first one was the boycott programs and the another one was the Swadeshi programs. Now, Swadeshi programs we can say was all the constructive ones. First one is popularizing Khadi and the Swadeshi goods. They wanted to use more of Khadi goods. Establishment of national schools and colleges. Development of unity between the Hindus and the Muslims. Upliftment of the women. Removal of untouchability. All this was under the Swadeshi programs or the constructive programs. Next was the boycott programs or the negative aspects somewhere. Okay, they boycotted all the foreign goods, they boycotted all the schools and colleges, boycott of the elections, resignations from the government schools, jobs, and surrendering the titles. All this was the negative aspect of the non-cooperation movement. Now, foreign goods were boycotted, liquor shops picketed, foreign clothes were burned, merchants and traders refused to trade in the foreign goods. Now, students left the government schools and colleges, teachers and headmasters resigned, lawyers gave up their legal practice, council elections were boycotted in the provinces. Means all this was the negative aspect that was going on. See here, these are the articles being laid down at that time. Buy Indian Swadeshi goods and boycott the British goods. Okay, boycott of foreign clothes. All these were the things being, pamphlets were being spread out. The newspapers and the articles used to write down all such things. Support Indian industries. Now, but somewhere this program was being stopped. Before that, what was being going on in the non-cooperation movement? In the beginning of this movement, Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore surrendered their titles of Kesari Hind and knighthood honor. Okay. Then the leaders of the nation gave up their titles. Clear? Then even at various places, foreign clothes were set on fire. When Duke of Connaught came to India, he was boycotted in 1921. So much things were being going on to boycott all these things. Then even the Indian schools and colleges were being established at Kashi, Bihar, Jamia Millia, Gujarat Vidyapeeth. All the vigorous programs were being going on to use Swadeshi goods. The import of goods, footwear, luxurious items, everything from England was being boycotted. Even they had collected 1 crore rupees in Tilak Fund. Okay, so all this was being done by the people in India in this time period of 1 year. But then suddenly Gandhiji had to stop this non-cooperation movement. What was the reason behind it? Now on February 5th, 1922 at Chauri Chaura, a village in Gorakhpur district in Uttar Pradesh, a police officer had beaten some volunteers who were picketing a liquor shop. कि गोरखपुर में एक पुलिस ऑफिसर ने कुछ वॉलंटियर्स को मारा जब वो लिकर शॉप का तोड़फोड़ कर रहे थे. Now around 3,000 peasants marched to the police station to protest against the police officer. The police fired at the peasants. इतने सारे peasants farmers वहाँ पे जमा हो गए और पुलिस स्टेशन की तरफ जाने लगे. Now when the police people saw them coming or marching towards the police station, they started firing on these peasants of the farmers. Now the angry peasants set the police station on fire, killing 22 policemen who were inside the police station. Now these farmers, 3,000 farmers, they were very angry now on the policemen. What did they do? They locked the police station. सब पुलिसमैन को अंदर घेर कर उन्होंने पूरी पुलिस स्टेशन में ही आग लगा दी और इस आग की वजह से nearly 22 policemen, the British policemen, were killed. Now similar such incidents were reported in the country. Mahatma Gandhi, who strongly believed in ahimsa, was shocked with this incident, and on February 12, 1922, he suspended the non-cooperation movement. And because of this incident, we can say mainly Gandhiji withdrew this non-cooperation movement. Now, what was the impact of this non-cooperation movement around India? The national movement became a mass movement. It was being carried out by a huge number of people. Nationalism was spread in every part of the country. It increased the self-confidence and self-esteem of the people. Congress became a revolutionary movement, increased the Hindu-Muslim unity. Now popularized the culture of Swaraj to attain Swaraj within the British Empire if possible or outside if necessary, and promoted social reforms. Isn't it? Removed untouchability, established national schools and colleges, boycott of foreign goods, promoting Indian handicraft and industries. Khadi became a symbol of national movement. So all this was the impact of non-cooperation movement. It also gave boost to Indian textile industries. Isn't it? Indian textile industries बहुत आगे बढ़ गई. The value of foreign imports reduced to half. Many industries like liquor, tobacco, etc. were ruined. Many new traders and manufacturers grew up as the result of non-cooperation movement. बहुत सारे new industries start हुए, तो manufacturers and industrialists came up. Khadi was promoted and foreign textiles were burned. Okay, so khadi use करना है, khadi को बहुत ज़्यादा promotion मिला because of this non-cooperation movement. Now at the last is the Swarajya Party was being formed. Okay, the Swarajya Party was being formed after the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji in 1922. Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru, they proposed to enter the central and provisional legislature to continue the struggle against the British rule. Okay, and then they formed the Swarajya Party with a view to maintain the unity among the people created by the non-cooperation movement. Swarajya Party was formed, okay, within the Indian National Congress in 1923. Now the leaders, Swarajya Party contested the elections to the central and the provisional legislature in 1923 and secured majority of seats in a number of provinces. Pandit Motilal Nehru became the leader of central legislature and Chittaranjan Das in Bengal the provisional legislature. The legislators of the Swarajya Party opposed the unjust policies of the government and advocated such programs as abolition of untouchability and prohibition. They also opposed the provisions of the budget forced by the government, okay, and to pay attention to their demands. They laid the foundation of parliamentary democracy and proved that the people of India were capable of working democracy. They attracted the educated class and contributed in generating the national awareness. They work forced of the British government to appoint Simon Commission in 1927 to recommend the next installment of constitutional reforms. But then all this as the work was going on, ये सब वो legislatures बना रहे थे, सब कर रहे थे. But with the death of we can say Chittaranjan Das in 1925, the Swarajya Party became very weak. Some members, those who were supporting the government, okay, while others established a new party named as National Party. Thus, the prestige of the Swarajya Party reduced. In 1926, in the elections, all its members lost terribly, except in Madras province. Okay, now. Even Bipin Chandra Pal and Surendranath Banerjee criticized the party strongly. So, Swarajya Party had become weak after the death of Chittaranjan Das. Clear? Now, beta, all these topics have been covered on page number 28 and 29. Go through all the topics, each and every topic. The important one is the non-cooperation movement, that comes in 4 marks mostly, and even the Swarajya Party, that comes in 3 marks. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you, beta.